Karma. Naniniwala ba kayo sa karma? Maraming mga Pinoy no, na naniniwala sa karma. Lalo na no, kapag may nakita sila na tao na alam nilang gumagawa ng masama at may masamang nangyari din sa kanya. Sasabihin ka agad, karma. So marami yan no, sa social media, mababasa, mapapanood natin. Pero ako, skeptical ako pagdating sa ganyang issue. No? Actually, yung salitang karma o yung paniniwala tungkol sa karma, it comes from Hinduism. No? Yun yung core belief nila. Pero here's the thing, no? Don't you know that there is a biblical counterpart for karma? So we can see that in Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. So sabi ni Apostle Paul, do not be deceived, God cannot be mocked. You reap what you sow. Okay, for the sake of argument, no, there is some truthfulness to the belief of karma as, you know, being, we can say, amplified, no, in Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. Pero of course, if you are going to study the context of that particular verse, it seems to me, no, that it flows to a different direction. But this time, let's buy it, no? Yung counterpart nga ng Galatians o ng karma, Galatians chapter 6 verse 7. Yung similarity nila, no? Sa biglang tingin, no? Sa biglang understanding. So the reason why I'm so skeptical about that, no, yung core belief ng Hinduism, is because there are so many things happening around us. Hindi lamang around us at this very point in time, no. Even if you are going to study the history, okay, ancient history in the past, no, of course, history. Maraming mga masasamang tao, organisasyon, no, mga hari, kaharian, na nang abuso at nang abuso sa mga tao. Wag na nating puntahan yon, no, yung kasaysayan na yon, no. But then alam nating lahat 'yan. The Google and of course social media are open, no, about it. It's just a click away, and you will be able to find out, no, yung darkness of the history. Pero jump na tayo dito sa ngayon, sa panahon natin, no? Lalo na yung political situation and the greediness, no? Corruption na nangyayari sa ating bayan. So just imagine, ang daming nagtanim ng ghost projects. Pero hindi naman sila umani ng ghost money, di ba? Yung mga nepo babies, ano? They even flaunted, no? Yung kanilang yaman through social media. At yung mga malalaking politiko na sabit dyan sa mga ghost projects na yan, na nakatabo, no, ng limpak-limpak na salapi, parang malabo pa yatang maparusahan. At ang parang madidiin dyan yung mga witnesses, kagaya ni Bryce Hernandez. Parang magiging Jun Lozada 2.0 to. So, sa mga halimbawang yan, nasa ng karma doon?